What if I told you that one simple golden drink sitting in your kitchen could help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and even support your immune system? I decided to drink turmeric water every day for 7 days, and the results were quite interesting. Before you start making this drink, there are a few things you should know. Stay until the end because I'll also tell you who should avoid drinking turmeric water. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice commonly used in cooking, especially in Asian dishes. Its main active compound, called curcumin, has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. For centuries, turmeric has been used in traditional medicine to support overall health. But what really happens when you drink turmeric water for 7 days? Let's find out. Many people notice that turmeric water helps with digestion. Turmeric may stimulate the production of bile, which helps the body break down fats more effectively. Some people report feeling less bloated and more comfortable after meals. If you often experience indigestion or stomach discomfort, turmeric water may provide some support. Inflammation is linked.